Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, of course, and welcome back to a new Bitcoin update. We're covering it again. To be honest, the technicals on Bitcoin have I don't know if I've ever seen them weirder than this. Like if you go to the 1 hour time frame right here, what you'll see is that it's basically just pumps and dumps all the way up. Right, because in the end, Bitcoin has been quite bullish. But if you go all the way back here, like it's just a big pump, then a drop, then a little bit of normal price action, then a big pump, drop, just everywhere. So that's in my eyes, that's a clear indication that we are still in a bear market. It looks like most of the liquidity is not coming from retail. It looks like most of the liquidity is coming from market makers, algorithms, all sorts of stuff, high frequency trading, that type of stuff. So yeah, that's difficult to trade, and that's also difficult to analyze because like yesterday, what we said is that technically Bitcoin actually does look kind of bullish, and I stand by that. Like Bitcoin still technically looks quite bullish right here, but it's also like the 28 EMA is not really being respected. It was just yesterday that that Bitcoin rejected heavily off of the 0.618 FIB, which is quite a bearish confirmation. So it's just difficult to analyze. I'll do my best. I'll tell you everything I think you need to know, including news that we have today, which is probably going to make the market move with the non-farm payrolls and the unemployment rate. One thing that is true, and yeah, I just want to mention that right now. I mean, yeah, we'll just get into the video. Usually I do some sort of a promotion, but we'll get into it. So what is true is that the dollar strength index right now is showing some weakness, all right? Or at least I don't think in the end this is going to result in a bearish dollar strength index, but it is dropping down a bit since Wednesday, all right? So if you take a look at the price of Bitcoin since Wednesday, it's been choppy, but a little bit more bullish than bearish, right? We had no significant bearish breakouts, and we did have some spikes up. So in general, like I said, technically I would say that Bitcoin right now is still bullish, and that therefore it's most likely that it will get back up to that 0.618 FIB around 28,000 again, and then probably also towards 28,500 and 28,700. That's technically most likely. Now, what I think is way more important are the fundamentals, and the fundamentals today lay in the unemployment rate and the non-farm payrolls. All right, those are the most important numbers today, where basically if they are both lower than expected, or if the unemployment rate is lower than expected, because you want the unemployment rate to be as low as possible, and you want the non-farm payrolls to be as high as possible. If that's true, then the dollar strength index will continue to go up, probably, and then Bitcoin will probably drop down. All right, so it just depends on that. Whereas if the unemployment rate is higher than expected and the non-farm payrolls lower than expected, that's going to be probably result in a move like this almost instantly, because that would most certainly push the dollar strength index down towards 105, or at least sub 106 levels, which is quite bullish for Bitcoin, and then we would see that bullish confirmation. And just in general, this is also, it's Friday, all right? Fridays are usually very volatile for Bitcoin, quite unpredictable at times. So if you don't care about the news, if you just want to have my technical view on it, then I would say that right now the market is so choppy that you cannot really say anything about it. So wait for a breakout above 28,000 or below 27,300. All right, wait for that, and then probably you'll get some more confirmation. Like if we get that bearish breakout, Bitcoin will drop down towards at least 26,900. And if that bullish breakout is achieved, it's almost at the price target, but then the price target is 28,500 and 28,700. So personally, I'm waiting for that a bit. I'm also very much researching how all of these moves affect altcoins, because you see some altcoins right now are quite bullish, other ones are struggling a little bit more. It's a bit difficult to navigate that whole space. But yeah, these are at least my thoughts on Bitcoin. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.